Sorkar Meghalaya rengkat kitanat kakot kakia but family welfare. Kila penlong ya ka Jinglang Iamir Jingmut second technical session jong ki start but ki Riewshemphang Halor kaphang banwanra ya ka Jingshngain but ka Khuid ka Suba ya ka bam ka sa ba ki pat ba ki penkre ha ka khawai dawai but ha ki dukan bam ha keleng ki shnong ki thau. Ka Jingtmu jong kani ka Jinglang Iamir Jingmut ka long ban hikaya ki pat ba but ki tu ki ba shat jingbam ha ki dukan ba kin tip ya karta jong ki jingbam kiba kila sateng ban maj na kanu ka jingmen saw. Ya kani ka Jinglang lapan long haka jaka test ya ki jingbam bala shed state food testing laboratory pasture Shillong haka bala wan pan play da uba wild miki Shilla Menteri Health and Family Welfare jong ka Khuborjylla. Uba Shilla ulaong kalong ka badan kami ka sorkar bandon ki tiar kitar ki khubor jong kani ka juk ban test ya ki jingbam bala shed laki long ki babha ni ki bala ujit kenang ban maj na kanu ka jingmen saw ya ka jing imbriu na ka jinglong bi jong ki jingbam bala sa. Ulaong ru ka jela ka don kam bandon ki briu ki bala pentibit skilled technical manpower ban pendon kam mi ki khubor ki baya day bat kani ka phang wa jing tip bnya ya ka jinglong ki jingbam ki bala depshet. Ki Riewshemphang ki bala kran ha kani ka Jinglang ki kentup ya u additional chief secretary Sampat Kumar East Khasi Hills deputy commissioner Kong Rosetta M. Kurba barka Dr. Wada Mika Lingdo. Ka Kong Rosetta ha ka jingkran kalapan kan mau ba kila danteng ki kep ba ki briu kila yo pang na ki jingbam bara shet pat ba ha so yong bat ha puryang. Kini ki jingja kila penlong ya ka sorkar ban shimkhia ban sedang no ya ka scientific laboratory ban examine sani ya ki jingbam bala dep shet. Ka sorkar Meghalaya kalamang saw pon Riewhu wei klur tengka ban penbiang ya ki Khubor na kabenta kani ka jingtmu ban yada ya ka kot ka khia jong ki pat ba da ka ba examine janai ba ya ki jingbam bala dep shet.
Meghalaya by Sir Udi Sangma, Joint Commissioner of the Dice, and felicitation of Shri Pranjal Deka of FSSAI by Chin. Thank you so very much. All the esteemed guests, dignitaries, to be with the chief guest as he launched the automated water analyzer.
This very important technical session. And I'm so happy that all of us are here from different aspects, whether it is from the regulatory, from the government, the stakeholder, and everyone, where we could really speak about this. Because as I believe, the most important thing is to give awareness. Because everything, if we could treat it at the earliest, the impact is going to be less. So this is very much important, and once again I will congratulate, and I hope to see this kind of program more in the future. As we all know, food safety is not just a regulatory requirement, it is a fundamental public health priority. With increasing complexity in food system, the role of science-based testing, surveillance, and risk assessment has become more critical than ever. A strong food safety ecosystem rests on three key pillars: robust laboratory infrastructure, skilled human resources, and effective coordination among stakeholders. Laboratories like yours play a central role in ensuring that food reaching our citizen is safe, compliant, and high of quality. Strengthening the food ecosystem through science and awareness is a multi-dimensional approach aimed at building sustainable, resilient, and equitable food system that combat hunger, malnutrition, and environmental degradation. This approach involves using science-driven innovation to transform production, processing, and consumption while utilizing education and awareness campaign to shift behavior towards sustainable and healthy diets. At the same time, we must continue to invest capacity building, adoption of modern technologies, and strengthening accreditation system so that our testing mechanisms are both reliable and legally robust. Equally important is awareness, because food safety is not only the responsibility of regulator, but also of food business operators and consumer alike. Meghalaya has immense potential to emerge as a model in food safety governance, and initiatives like this conclave are a step in the right direction.
Of State Food Testing Laboratory Meghalaya on the theme Strengthening Food Safety Ecosystem Through Science and Awareness. I would like to commend the State Food Testing Lab under the Commissioner of Food Safety for organizing this very important program that brings together policymakers, scientists, stakeholders on a common platform. I would also like to congratulate you today for launching the GCFID just now by our honorable chief guest. So the subject today is about food safety. Food is more than nourishment. It represents health, livelihood, and dignity. Yet unsafe food continues to cause illness and loss. At the district level, we have witnessed how food-related issues directly impact the well-being of our people. For instance, in 2022, 53 persons were affected by food poisoning at Puryang under Mauringkening block. The Pasteur Institute as well as this very important lab had investigated, and the report which comes is that they have detected contamination in the pork meat which was served during a gathering. Again, similar instances happened in May 2023, where 197 food poisoning cases were reported under Soyong PHC due to contamination of food which was served and also the water. Ensuring safe, hygienic, and quality food is therefore essential, not for preventing illness, but also for promoting overall societal productivity and trust. In this effort, science plays a crucial role. It helps us to understand how contamination occurs, how bacteria grow, and how simple intervention can prevent illness. Institutions such as this lab provides a backbone for evidence-based decision-making. The accuracy, reliability, and timeliness of testing ensures that enforcement actions are credible and that consumer confidence is maintained. Strengthening this institution is a key to building a robust and resilient food safety ecosystem. However, as we all know, science alone cannot do everything. If knowledge does not reach the people, and if it's not applied in our daily life, it has little impact. This is where awareness becomes essential. Awareness transforms scientific knowledge into practical action. Let me give you some simple example. Consider a local street food vendor. When vendors are trained to wash their hands regularly, serve good food, use clean water, and avoid cross contamination, the impact is immediate.